Soccer DBB number 507, and that is 2016 Topps Premier Gold one box break. Teams are on the right. Good luck, guys. Ready? Alright, plus 2 Gold Standard nimmt die Chiefs. Alright, here we go. Good luck. One box of EPL 2016. Here we go. Jersey first. It is regular one. How about Harry Kane for Tottenham? Micah and Tottenham. Jersey. Alright, here we go. Let's pull something nice here. Tottenham again. We have Firmino for Liverpool. We have Bailey for Manu. Here's the first autograph, Divock Origi for Liverpool. And that is Ole. Divock Origi. Liverpool. Alright, one more autograph to go, and let's see what inserts we get and what numbers. Jermaine Defoe, Sunderland. Oh, gives a nice, here's a silver. It is George Friend for a Middlesbrough to 99. A Bournemouth Stadium. We have Benteke, and silver is Snodgrass for Hull City to 99. And Dan Gosling autograph for Bournemouth. Bournemouth is Ricky. Manu. Insert is Jamie Vardy for Leicester. We have Mane. And we got a red 211 portrait. Nice. Come on, give us a good player here. 211. Good luck, guys. Who is it going to be? It is Marko Arnautovic. 211. 9 of 11 for Stoke City. Arnautovic. And that does it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.